Hello and welcome to another episode of Ashaya Day Trip Productions. Today is Saturday, March 15th of 2025. Right now I am here on 8th Street in Bentonville. In this area right here we got a nice little proper bike lane out here. Seeing how I'm kind of pretty new at riding a bike still trying to learn a little bit, trying to improve my skill before I head out on more adventurous rides. And most importantly, this is on the way to Walmart, so I need to stop by there. So I will do that this afternoon, and I might be able to, they have something going on, I believe, up there today that I might show a little bit of that, just to kind of add to this video a little bit, since I got to go up there anyway. So alright, so got the bike back here, so I'm going to get everything kind of prepped and ready to go. Gonna hook up the GoPro to the bike and just kind of ride around a little bit, just kind of show you a little bit of what it looks like out here. So let's roll. Alright. See how well this goes today. Uphill. No. Okay. Good thing nobody else is coming, because I'm going to take up both sides of the road. Now you can't take the this all the way into downtown Bentonville. It doesn't go quite that far. I think you can get up as far as Sam Walton Boulevard. It may end at I Street, actually. But I figure what I do today is just kind of ride up here, just kind of take a look. There's a few people out today, but not too many. I saw a family, and then we had some people on electric bikes right there. Goes uphill and then goes downhill a little bit. Not even pedaling, just kind of letting it move downhill by itself. Over here where they're clearing out some area. Across the street. And that up there where that light is, that is I Street. So if you take a right and cross over 102, Bentonville Lake is just up there on your left. Turn around, go back the other way. Still takes me a minute to get going. pass me by. I think I'm just gonna coast on down this hill. I think I'll stop. A little steep. So okay, so I went ahead and just loaded up my bike. I figured that was enough of a ride for now. My thoughts on it's pretty good place to learn how to ride your bike. There's a little steep spot, so keep that in mind. So there you go on that. So what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna walk back up this way just for a little bit, just because on the other side over there, there's actually a bike trail, but it looks like it might be closed right now. But I figure since I'm out here, I'll just kind of walk up there and just take a look. Make sure people are stopping or not coming. They do have a tendency to kind of speed down this road a little bit, so keep that in mind. We're crossing the street. So it says right here, trail closed, do not enter. Looks like this map right here gives you all the different trails in the Bentonville area. And I believe, just kind of looking at this map real quick, that we are about over here in this Collar Park, which I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. That is the mountain bike trail. And this over here, this is the downtown Bentonville area. Okay. Well, it does say this trail is closed, so that is going to be as far as I'm going to go. I don't know why it would be closed unless there's been some storm damage back there, possibly. So I went by Walmart, stopped off looking for what I was looking for, and it was there. But apparently quite a few people were reading the same article. So I figured, you know what, a little bit of a line there. So what I did, I went ahead and came back out here to Lake Bentonville. So I figured what I'm going to do today, right now, is just kind of step out a little bit and probably just get the bike out and just ride around a little bit, just kind of check out the scene and just see what it's looking like out here today. So I think I'll go this way. It says please walk bikes. Well, you know what? So damn it, I came out here to ride, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna ride. Except up here, I'll more than gladly stop and walk it because that's the boardwalk. I don't want to fall off into whatever it is they got going on there on the side. Get off and start walking. this section right here you can ride your bike on. The boardwalk is big enough. And go up this way. This right up here is I Street. There's the brewery. Looks like they got something kind of going on in the background over there. Got music going, all that good stuff. Little French bulldog is walking like it's kind of funny. But use both hands. abrupt turn. That could have ended badly. Getting a little cocky. Get tired. Okay. That's
She's written from us. Thank you very much. Of course, no problem.
thank you.
Yeah, take one of the set. Yeah, the set is so nice.
You gotta put on it your house start. Your picture. You're like, no. Thank you.
Of course. You want any photos?
Okay, so I did get my butterbeer and a few things. It was only, I only waited about 20 minutes, so the wait wasn't too bad. Did get, and it was free, didn't cost anything. And we got, looks like some kind of butterscotch, like candy, what have you. And this here, and it's just the butterbeer. And first time I've had this, it definitely has a smell of butterscotch, I guess. Here's the front there. It almost just reminds me of a butterscotch icy, you know. But not bad. Okay, so that is just today's video. Just wanted to get outside and just ride the bike around a little bit since the weather kind of cooled off and wasn't very many people out, which was good. Makes it a little easier when you're just trying to get used to riding a bike. So that's gonna do it all for me today. Until next time, bye.